The Vivo X200 FE is a recently launched compact flagship smartphone that focuses on delivering a premium experience in a smaller form factor. Here's a detailed breakdown of its pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. For pros, compact flagship design offers flagship-level specs in a smaller, more manageable form factor, which is rare in today's market. Excellent performance, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, ensuring smooth gaming and multitasking. Impressive battery life, a massive 6,500 mAh battery provides comfortable 2-day usage. Blazing fast charging, 90W wired charging gets the phone to full in under an hour. High-quality Zeiss cameras, versatile triple rear camera setup with a 50MP main, 50MP periscope telephoto, 3x optical zoom, up to 100x digital zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide. All enhanced by Zeiss optics and T** coating. The 50MP selfie camera is also a strong point. Durable build. IP68/IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance, aerospace-grade aluminum frame, and SGS triple protection certification. Stunning display, 6.31-inch 1.5K LTPO AMOLED with 120 Hz refresh rate, high peak brightness, and flicker-free PWM dimming. Long software support, up to 4 major Android upgrades are promised. Stereo speakers provides a decent audio experience. For cons, no wireless charging. This feature is typically reserved for the Pro variant. No microSD card slot. Storage is fixed, so choose the 512GB variant if you need more space. No 3.5mm headphone jack, a common omission in modern flagships but still a con for some. Potential for oversaturated colors. Display. Some early reviews mention out-of-the-box color accuracy issues, though this might be fixable with software updates or calibration. Fingerprint sensor placement. The in-display fingerprint sensor might be placed a bit too low for optimal ergonomics for some users. Limited app compatibility for floating windows. While a stage manager-like feature exists, app compatibility for multiple floating windows is limited. For special features, compact form factor with flagship specs. This is arguably its biggest selling point, offering top-tier performance and features in a size that's easy to handle. Zeiss camera system with T-coating * collaborating with Zeiss brings advanced optics, color science, and special bokeh styles to the camera experience. The T* coating helps reduce reflections and improve light transmission. IP68/IP69 water and dust resistance. Provides excellent durability and peace of mind against water and dust exposure, including high-pressure water jets. C/C Li-ion battery. This silicon-carbon battery technology allows for a higher energy density, contributing to the impressive 6,500 mAh capacity in a relatively slim body. Aura light for selfies. A dedicated feature designed to enhance portrait selfies with better lighting. Android Ultra HDR for photos. Improves dynamic range in photos. Overall conclusion. The Vivo X200 FE emerges as a compelling option for users seeking a compact yet powerful flagship smartphone without compromising on key features like battery life and camera performance. Its combination of the potent MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, a massive 6,500 mAh battery with rapid 90W charging, and a versatile Zeiss-tuned triple camera system makes it a strong contender in its segment. While the absence of wireless charging and a 3.5mm headphone jack might be minor drawbacks for some, the phone's exceptional durability, IP68/IP69, long software support, and a vibrant AMOLED display outweigh these cons. The Vivo X200 FE is particularly well-suited for those who prioritize one-handed usability, long endurance, and high-quality photography in a sleek and robust package. It stands out in a market increasingly dominated by larger devices, offering a refreshing choice for a mini powerhouse.